If you want to set up a custom lock screen on Squarespace, it's so easy to do. Now, I work with probably 10 to 30 clients a month. And when I send them a preview of their site, it always comes up with a lock screen because if you haven't got a Squarespace subscription, you can't have your site live. It has to be password protected. And so if you want to make it a little bit special for the client, or if it's your business and you want to make it a little bit special for people previewing or, quality checking your site, then this is how you do it. So let's get into it. If I go into pages and then I go down to system pages, you're going to see lock screen here. If I click on that, you can change the layout initially. So click on here and there's a few options. In fact, there's more than a few. Let's look at this one. It's not good enough for me. Let's get something with a logo. Maybe I'm going to eat humble pie and go to the initial one. Okay, that's fine. Then we want branding and text. So in here, you can have the client logo. I'll just add something random in for now. I'll upload. What have I got on my computer? Hopefully nothing dodgy. There we go. We'll wait for this to upload. While we're doing that, we'll add a headline. So preview the site. And let me get that right. There we go. Preview the site. Imagine that's your logo. And then you can turn off the lock icon there. So imagine this is your logo, or if you're a designer, it's your client's logo. And then you've got your headline here. If you want, you can put a body in as well. So take a look through the site. And sometimes what I'll see people do is add the password here. So they'll say password equals, and then they'll just say like pass 123. Super, super secure, obviously. Now, the reason that people will do this oftentimes is because they don't realize that you can share a password within a URL. So maybe that's something for another video, but just because I'm here, I'll show you anyway. If you go to / and then site availability, you can password protect your site here. So I'm going to say pass 123 exclamation mark. And then so when someone logs in, we'll go into incognito and I can show you this now. So copy this across. And then I put in, well, you can see now the password protection page live. And let's just copy this. It makes it really easy for the client to log in. Great. But there is another way. So if I do / and then question mark, I can say password equals and then input the password. So pass 123 exclamation mark. Now that's not going to work until I go into a new tab. So let's try that again. And you can see it logs directly in. And this is usually what I do with all of my clients. So I will add the password URL or the password into the URL. So they skip that lock screen entirely and it makes the user experience just flow a lot better. But if you want to have that lock screen, then that is how you do it. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.